Okay. I want to welcome you to this live FBS Power Team presentation. We're going to go over financial education services, and I'm so happy that you made it here. If you're watching the recording, that means it's on our website, and you can check it out. You can make one of our live presentations, or you can get with the person that shared this opportunity with you, and then get with them so that you can also get me on the phone, and I could talk to you as well. But I just wanted to quickly go over this opportunity with you. My name is Bill Connelly. Once again, I am a vice president with this amazing company called Financial Education Services. Now, this company, its basis is financial services and literacy, teaching people. But the emphasis is on credit restoration. A lot of people need their credit repaired. And what am I talking about? A lot of bad things happen to good people where they get some negative items on their credit report, and you're going to use our services to dispute every single negative item on all three credit bureaus to get those deleted. All right, that's the goal of signing up for our services. Now, this company was founded in 2004. It's headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. It has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So when you're presenting financial education services and its products, you can also be assured that we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 100% annual sales growth, and our company is debt-free. The two gentlemen on the right, Mike Toloff and Parimal Nayak, those are the two owners of this company, and they've been the owners since the beginning. So that's stability right there. Slide 2, check this out. This is the protection plan membership that you, as an agent on our team, will be sharing with people. All right, it's called the Protection Plan Membership. And for a customer to sign up, it's a one-time activation fee of $99.89 for the services. So they're paying $188 to get started. All right, $188 to get started, no contract, and it's a monthly fee until they want to cancel. It normally takes 2 to 6 months, but you want to keep the people in due to our great products you can see on here. Credit restoration, #1 product. Credit monitoring. Identity monitoring. Credit attorney also available to you. How to build your credit. A will, a trust, power of attorneys included. How to budget. Life insurance. Now that's for agents. So once you come on board as an agent, this is included for you, not for customers. We have a debt payoff program. We have a financial lockbox, net worth, savings goals, and then the YFL is where we go into schools. That's the next slide, and I'll show you all about that. But these are the amazing products that we offer under one roof, under one package. The credit restoration is inside of this, and this is what you as the agent sell. Now, the beautiful part of the protection plan membership, when I say credit restoration, you are not fixing anybody's credit. You are doing none of that. You are just given a website where you can sign people up, sell the protection plan membership to people. All right, how cool is that? Now you're not doing the work, you're selling the product. Very, very good. All right, so let's talk about that YFL Foundation. This is where we go into schools and we educate kids from the ages of 8 to 18 on the matters of their finance. $2 out of every protection plan membership, that $89 monthly fee, goes into this YFL. And we've given away scholarships, we've given away grants. And this year, in 2019, we're up to $350,000 in scholarships to help kids. But the main part is we go into schools, we teach them about their finance, about keeping good credit, about understanding what they need to do to be successful in their financial matters. So this is really powerful. This is something you can be proud about. #4, getting started as an agent. Okay, you want to come on board as an agent? That's probably why you're watching this video. That's awesome. It's $288 one time out of pocket, $288 to own your business. All right, then it's $89 a month because you get all the services that I just went over as a customer. They're paying $89, you're paying $89. All right, but you're also going to get that life insurance as well. All right, and as an agent, you get the protection plan membership. You have your online store. You can build a team of other agents like we're doing. We get paid weekly commissions, bonuses, and residual income as we sell this product and bring on other agents. Life insurance up to $100,000. So your goal is to acquire customers and agents. All right. Now, what I tell people as far as getting customers, if you're an agent, you can go after realtors, car dealers, solar panel, mortgage broker, anybody that has customers that come into their office on a daily basis that need good credit but don't have it, those people can send them to you. So get comfortable with that, work with your sponsor, and get a couple of these corporate accounts sending you leads every day. Strive for 5. So for example, you came in, you paid your $288, you're an agent, your goal is to strive for 5. For example, you go out and you get 5 customers. Now that $99 application fee, the company's going to round it up $1 extra and give you that $100. So for every person you bring in as a customer, $188, you're going to make $100. You want to make $1,000, sell 10 of them. But for this example, you go out and you get 5 customers, you got $500. All right, $212 more than you bought in. Now, every single month, your business is free as long as you have over 5 active people underneath you. And the cool part is this can count agents as well. All right, so 5 for free. You want to get with your sponsor and talk about getting 5 for free. Getting those people 5 in, getting your $500, you're buying back, you're in the profits, your business is free. Residual income. All right, every time someone pays $89 or an agent that is 5 for free, you will get $12 residual off of every person that came in under you. Every customer under you, every agent under you that's active, $12 monthly. All right, look at the example, 5 times 12, $60. 10 people in at $12, 120. 20 people, 240. The beautiful part is when your agents you brought in bring in people, they'll get their 12 and you'll start getting 3, and then 3 another level, 275, 250, and it works its way down. That's how the residual income works with this company. Number 7, everybody wants to have their business for free, right? Everybody wants to be 5 for free, no payment due every single month, running your business, boom. So you're in, that's you at the top, and this is a 5-year plan. We're just going to make this a 5-year plan. Now, if you go out and you get your 5 people, you are free, right? But your 5 is going to want to get theirs for free. So they go out and get their 5, 25. Those 25 want to get their 5, 125. Those 125 want to do the same, 625. Those 625 turn into 3,125. Those 3,125 turns into 15,625. And in a perfect world, after 5 years, you're looking at 19,530 protection plan memberships on your team. And with that amount of money, the top line right there, $75,000 in residual month after month income from having that many protection plan memberships. But what if I was only 10% and you're making $7,500 a month? Could you live off of that? Absolutely. Now, this is just the residual money. This is not the $100 you make from selling a customer and the money you're going to make when you bring on agents. So how cool is that? What if you really went slow, you're just doing your thing, and you got an extra $750 in residual coming in? Could you live on that? No problem. So this is how, the residual income Power of 5 works. Here's how it works for you as an agent bringing on a business partner. All right, so you can make anywhere from 100 to all the way up to 150 bringing in an agent, depending on your rank. So you just came on board. Welcome to the team. We appreciate you with us. You're going to work with your sponsor, and what you want to do is you want to get another business partner in as quickly as possible. By doing that and helping them get 2 customers or working with your upline, you will then make $100 for bringing on that new agent. To hit the first rank of field trainer, you're going to need at least 2 business partners. So you want to go out and get 2 business partners as quickly as possible, help them each get 2 customers. Boom, you are elevated now to a field trainer. Every new agent that you bring on after that, you will be making $160. But if your agents that you brought in on your team and they're ranked as an agent, bring on an agent, they will make $100, but you will see $60 goes to you because you're at 160. 100 was eaten, 60 was left over, went to you, and it works its way up. So me as a vice president, I make 500 when I bring on an agent. So for example, I'll just give you a quick scenario. I think you'll really get excited about this. I go out, I bring on an agent. I help them get 2 customers, I made 500. I want to get that new agent to field trainer as quickly as possible. So I work with them. We get their first agent. We get 2 customers, they make 100. But because I'm at 500, 400 is going to roll up to me. I want to get that new agent to field trainer. We go out, we get a second agent with them. They make another 100, another 400 rolls up to me. They're now field trainer. So by me bringing in this agent, I made 500 and 400 and 400 was passed up. That's $1,300. How cool is that? So you can understand this chart as you see it, money being passed up. Now, if I have a sales director on my team and sales director makes 380 and they bring on an agent, they will make 380. But because I'm at 500, 120 would roll up to me. See, the further you go up with the money, closer to you, the less that's passed up. But that's how the money passes up from agents ranking up. Number 9, this is really powerful. This is really cool. It's called the FES R&R Club. And to qualify for this, you need 500 people on your team. All right, all effort. Anybody underneath you, total amount of people, it starts at 500. Once you have that amount of people, the company will give you an Audi, a Cadillac, or a Mercedes up to $600. Level 2 and 3 is a $10,000 cash bonus, and then level 3 is they're going to up your car payment to $1,500. Level 4 is a $25,000 cash bonus. Level 5 is a $50,000 cash bonus, and they're going to turn that car payment into a Bentley payment. Level 6 is a house payment, $5,000. Imagine you got your house being paid for $5,000. But Bill, I have a very nice house and it's $3,000 a month. Well, the other $2,000 is going to go into principal. But now what I'm saying is you have your house being paid for, you have your cars being paid for, you're making some good money. And then level 7 through 10 is different retirement bonuses that we have. So this is very powerful. Once you get going, your whole goal is to first get in, first get ranked up to field trainer, work your way up to sales director, and then just keep pushing with your team. Number 10, the last slide, all right? Corporate and training, team training. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make sales, how to establish corporate accounts, how to work with people. Those corporate accounts are what I told you about, the realtor, the car dealer, the solar panel. We're also going to give you a marketing strategy. You know, don't overthink this. All you're doing, you're getting a website, you're talking to people. Hey, my name is Bill Connelly. I work for an amazing company that helps people with credit repair. If you know anybody in that situation or looking for an extra income, you know, I'd love to show them an overview. So don't overthink this, all right? Like I said, also, we're not doing the credit restoration. We're just selling the plan. How to sell this protection plan membership. I just went over that. How to manage a nationwide team. Basically, you can get anybody from around the United States, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, anybody with a social security can come on board and do FES, all right? You're not doing anything but inviting them to our Facebook group, inviting them to these calls, you know, getting them on board with the team, and we can help support you with that until you become that leader that can run on your own. Know how to understand and maximize the comp plan in the best efficient way, how to build that long-term residual income we were talking about, how to become a leader with FES, but you need to have the right mindset. You need to have the right attitude. This company has been changing lives for years. And if you want the opportunity to work from home, work from your cell, whatever you want to call it, you know, go out, meet people, do corporate accounts, have local meetings, different things like that. It's all up to you, but you have the opportunity to create your own business, your own success. And with this company, I always look at it as a servant's business. I'm helping people to get their lives back, their pride back, by helping them to clean up their credit, get their credit score right. So, you know, just get back with the person who invited you to this call, invited you to this video. Let them know if you're a 1, 2, or 3. 1 meaning, Bill, I'm good to go. I have good credit. You know, my job's cool, but I know some people that I can refer to you. We appreciate referrals and you helping the people, you know, that need help. Number 2, I'm good. You know, I don't want to do the business, but I really need these products. I need to get my credit score up, and I just want to get in the protection plan membership. Well, that's cool. Get back with the person who sent you here. Or number 3, like most of the people on this live call, you want to get involved in both. You need your credit repaired, or you're good to go and want the other services, but you also want to include the business opportunity. That's awesome. I want to welcome you to our team. Get back with the agent, get signed up, get plugged in, and I look forward to helping you to build this business. Once again, my name is Bill Connelly, Vice President with Success FES, Financial Education Services, and God bless.